Good evening, welcome to Delight classes. Errors in the use of nouns. We are still in continuation. You have seen many previous videos related to correction of errors. Today's topic is there are some nouns, their meaning changes when used in plurals. There are some nouns which have some different meaning in singular form and different meaning in plural forms. So let's start. Our first word is air. First noun in singular is air. Air means atmosphere when air is used in singular form. Airs is its plural form. So singular air means atmosphere and plural air means airs means proud behavior. Singular air means atmosphere and airs means proud behavior. For example, today the air is cool. Today the air is cool. This is singular use of air. He's in airs these days. Nowadays he is in airs. Plural airs का यूज हो रहा है. Plural air का यूज क्या हुआ? Nowadays he is in airs. It means in condition of proud. आजकल वो बहुत प्राउडी हो गया है. Nowadays he is in airs. Air is very cool. ये air का singular use है. Good का singular meaning है nice और well behaved. Nice और well behaved जब हम good शब्द लिखते हैं. When we write goods, it means objects, articles, things. Good is nice or well behaved and goods means objects or things. For example, Sohan is a good boy. Sohan is a good boy means well behaved boy or a nice boy. Your work is good means nice work. And just opposite to this is a goods train. Goods train means the train which carries luggage. Goods train means the train which carries luggage. This is a goods train. So good is nice or well behaved and goods is related to articles or things. Third word is force, which means strength, ability. Forces means troops. Force means strength and forces means troops. S लगा देने से कितना डिफरेंस आ जा रहा है मीनिंग में. It is not good for men. It is not good for men to use force on a woman. It is not good for a man to use force on a woman or to show force on a woman. ये अच्छा नहीं है मेल्स के लिए कि वो force अप्लाई करें वुमन के ऊपर. That is related to physical force means any type of force that shouldn't be applied. The forces on the border are in alert condition. The forces on border are in alert condition or the forces on border have been alerted. Border पर forces को alert कर दिया गया है. Quarter, Q-U-A-R-T-E-R, quarter means 1/4. Quarter means 1/4. Either it is related to time, either it is related to object, any fraction. Quarter means 1/4. And quarters means houses or lodgings. Quarters means houses or lodgings. Today I had a quarter pizza piece or quarter piece of pizza. आज मैंने quarter piece of pizza खाया. It means 1/4 piece of pizza. He has shifted his belongings to army quarters. He has shifted his belongings to army quarters. Belongings मतलब सामान. उसने अपना सामान आर्मी क्वार्टर्स में शिफ्ट कर लिया है. तो क्वार्टर्स मीन्स हाउसेज और लॉजिंग्स एंड क्वार्टर मीन्स 1/4 पीस और 1/4. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज कंटेंट. CONTENT. कंटेंट मीन्स satisfied. Mr. Sharma is content with his present salary. Mr. Sharma अपनी present salary से content मतलब satisfied है. Contents. Contents का meaning है things contained. Things contained or ingredients. Tell me the contents of this book. Means which things are given in this book. Tell me the contents of this book. एक बार जल्दी से हम इसको रिवाइज करते हैं. Some nouns have their different meaning in plural form from singular form. कुछ nouns ऐसे हैं जिनके singular और plural forms के meanings entirely different हैं. Like air means atmosphere and airs means proud condition or proud behavior. Proud behavior. Good means nice or well behaved and goods means things, articles. Force means strength and forces is referred to troops, tukdiyan. Quarter 1/4 and quarters lodgings or houses. Content means satisfied and contents means ingredients or things contained. Further proceedings. Respect means feeling of admiration. Respect means feeling of admiration. Respects means compliments. Respects means compliments. Compliments देना किसी को. Respect का example. We should respect our teachers. We should respect our elders. That is the example of respect. He gave me respects. He gave me respects. It means compliments. He gave me compliments. तो respect का meaning होता है feeling of admiration और respects का meaning होता है compliments. Next word है return. Return means to come back. Return means to come back. वापस आना, लौट आना. Returns meaning earnings या profit. Returns means earnings or profit. आमदनी या लाभ. Pain is related to physical ailment, physical suffering. Pains means great efforts. Return का example. Pandavas returned after the exile. Pandavas returned after the exile and the occasion was of joy. Pandavas returned from the exile and the occasion was of joy. ठीक है, और पांडव लोग अपने एग्जाइल, अपने अज्ञातवास से लौट आए और खुशी का अवसर था. रिटर्न्स का एग्जाम्पल, रिटर्न्स दिस ईयर आर वेरी लो. रिटर्न्स दिस ईयर आर वेरी लो यानी कि अर्निंग्स या प्रॉफिट इस साल बहुत कम है. पेन का एग्जाम्पल, आई एम हैविंग पेन इन माई लेग. आई एम हैविंग पेन इन माई लेग. पैर में दर्द हो रहा है. पेन्स, ग्रेट एफर्ट्स. मदर्स टेक पेन्स टू ब्रिंग अप देयर बेबीज. माताएं पेन्स, कष्ट उठाती हैं अपने बच्चों का पालन पोषण करने के लिए. वर्क मीन्स जॉब. वर्क मीन्स जॉब और वर्क्स मीन्स ऑपरेशंस इन्वॉल्विंग बिल्डिंग और रिपेयर्स. वो जगह जहां पर रिपेयरिंग होती है या किसी चीज को बनाया जाता है उसको बोलते हैं वर्क्स. एग्जाम्पल, ही हैज गॉन ऑन हिज वर्क. वो काम पर गया यानी अपनी जॉब पर गया है. वर्क्स का एग्जाम्पल बहुत अच्छा रैट ट्रैप लेसन है क्लास 12 में. वॉइसेस, नॉइज वर कमिंग फ्रॉम रामस्जो वर्क्स. रामस्जो वर्क्स क्या है? रामस्जो वर्क्स वो जगह थी जहां पर रिपेयरिंग का काम होता था या मेल्टिंग का वर्क होता था. सो एक बार, रिस्पेक्ट मीन्स फीलिंग ऑफ एडमायरेशन एंड रिस्पेक्ट्स मीन्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स. रिटर्न इज टू कम बैक एंड रिटर्न्स इज अर्निंग्स और प्रॉफिट. पेन मीन्स फिजिकल सफरिंग एंड पेन्स मीन्स ग्रेट एफर्ट्स. Work is job and works is related to repair work, where repair work is done or where building of something is done. जहाँ किसी चीज को बनाया जा रहा है या किसी चीज को रिपेयर किया जा रहा है. तो आज के वीडियो में इतना ही. See you tomorrow in the next video with another topic. Till then, goodbye. Share the channel, subscribe it and like it. If you like, send your comments. Thank you.